everyone! Today I'm gonna scratch build some monsters with some cheap ass materials. The first of which is gonna be this foam clay from B&M. Magic Super Soft Air Drying Clay. It's super lightweight and dries like a kind of dense sponge. Yeah, I have a bit of a cold at the moment, so I sound a bit, bleh. I've got this copper jewellery wire, which I'm twisting with a drill. Oh my gosh, this is so satisfying! Why did I not discover this sooner? I learned this from Bill Making Stuff, who actually inspired this whole video. If you're a fan, you'll know that he's a fan of a Bits box. Well, look what I just bought. Let me know if you want me to do a video of me showing you what's inside my Bits box in the comments below, because that is the kind of thing that gets me going. So I'm just clipping this into pieces and building a rough frame for the monsters, and then I'm going to squish the clay around it. Oh yes, and I'll be using some Warhammer bits that I've collected. Hey, this clay is cool. Okay, so I've made a sort of brute looking dude, and I'm gluing down some beads as additional eyes. This is what he's looking like so far. And I've started on this kind of Kang and Kurdos type alien thing. Yeah, he's not actually called Kurdos, is he? Is it like Kodos? Yeah, Kang and Kodos. Okay, and now I did something questionable. I was thinking that I wanted to make it look like a tarantula, like kind of fuzzy, but I made it look like a ball bag. It's a hairy testicle now, with an eye. A cyborg testicle eye monster. It looks disgusting. Like, really, why have I done this? Maybe paint will make it better. Yeah, no. That looks gross. Okay. Maybe that's fine. Maybe gross is fine. Okay, let's dry brush these babies. I'm going to make an oil wash with some black and burnt umber oil paint, thinned down with white spirit. Okay, so now they look like they're covered in poo. Hairy, pooey ballsack. Let's bring out the highlights again, with some bone white. When in doubt, cover everything in blood. This time it'll be Slaughter Red Speed paint. I want these to look like monstrous monsters, not pooey ballsacks, please. I decided to spray them with some yellow. Not really sure why I did that, but I guess to illuminate them a bit and bring some sort of colour to them. Imagine you're fighting them in a corridor of an alien spaceship. I wanted to add some fresh blood, so I used poppy red this time. I like to apply it real thick and let it trickle down naturally. In fact, with speed paints you can just squeeze it straight out of the bottle. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I stuck some Green Stuff World fluffy, leafy, flocky stuff to the bases because I thought the orange would look nice, although it doesn't really fit in with the alien spaceship theme, does it? Well, never mind, they're in a forest now. It was fun to make these. They're pretty janky, but it's kind of fun not knowing what you're making until you start sticking stuff together. Let me know in the comments below if you're going to be trying anything like this anytime soon. Don't forget to give me a like if you like this video, and subscribe for more tabletop gaming content. Or, if you're going to Salute in XL London tomorrow, then come and say hello. I can give you one of these 250 business cards that I printed for some reason. Anyway, until next time, see ya! I've got this copper jewellery wire. I've got this copper jewellery wire. Jewellery wire. I've got this copper jewellery wire